Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're up to your eyeballs in pet hair, this LINTPLUS pet hair remover kit might be just what you need. This is not sticky, so you don't have to rinse it or wash it to be reused. Well, you might want to wash it, but that's not how this works. So it has little tiny grooves and act like little teeth, and they pull the hair out of the fibers of the carpet or fabric. So this is great for your car. I was able to get a lot of the hairs that I can't get with my vacuum. And it's nice and small, so you can keep it in your car if you'd like. And this guy, this is the LINTPLUS Max. This is going to get the hairs out of your carpets, your large carpets at home, or your couches or bigger surfaces. Together, these are a great combo to get out that pet hair from all different areas. So if you're looking to really pull out that pet hair, this kit from LINTPLUS might be exactly what you're looking for. And that's my point of view.